Dynamo for Civil 3D allows users to process simple, repetitive, or complex tasks quickly and efficiently. Nodes are available for a number of functions in Civil 3D and AutoCAD. Nodes are added to the script and linked together in a visual environment. Scripts can be created to meet the exact details required in any design workflow. Objects can be selected from the CAD file and manipulated or extruded to create solids and blocks, and the output can be viewed in the Dynamo window or the CAD file. Data can be read from spreadsheets or CSV files, and the objects in the CAD file can be updated automatically with any spreadsheet revisions. Dynamo for Civil 3D is a powerful tool that will aid in processing anything from common tasks to the most complex of design workflows.